Hey, what's up guys? Today I got a very cool tweak to show you guys. It is called iSound and it costs $0 on Cydia. I'm extremely surprised that it costs $0 because this tweak is amazing. So basically all it does is that it customizes your sound effect. So as you can hear right now, when I open something, it will give me this sound. Again, it happened again. And normally you don't have anything on your screen when you first download the iSound. So I have to go to the store menu and download a custom theme. I've just downloaded the Windows XP one. Then you have these testing that you could test out some sound. Alright, there's a lot of sound effect that you can use. Then if you want to change your but first I want to show you that you could have the create, so you can create your own sound effect. Now if you want to change it, let's say that I want to change to Windows XP, just click on it, then you need to respring. Click on respring, then you click on yes. Then your device will start respringing by himself. And I just wait a couple seconds. Aha, there you go. There's the Windows XP sound. So now you have a totally different sound for Windows XP. So again, this is amazing. It is called iSound and it costs $0 on Cydia. Now I just hope you enjoyed this sound test. Very nice. So again, go check it out and I'll see you soon. Bye.